Welcome to the Focus Framework Bootcamp. My name is Damian. You've probably seen me all over Instagram talking about some magic framework that just happens to change your life in 90 days. If so, you are in the right place, and this entire 21-day bootcamp is gonna teach you how to change your life in just 90 days. Now, if you follow these steps to a T, yes, you will be able to. But if you're just gonna slack off and half-ass this program, I advise you don't even bother watching or investing any of your time into this, because it is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This requires you to actually take action on your own life in order to make progress with this program. And I'm gonna walk you through the entire thing step by step over the next 21 days so that you can change your life just like I did to mine in 90 days. Now, there's 4 pillars to this program. The first pillar is gonna be setting up your day. This means getting your tasks laid out so that when you wake up in the morning, you know exactly what you need to do from start to finish. The second is gonna be killing the noise. This means removing all external distractions that are preventing you from actually achieving these goals on a day-to-day basis. The third pillar is becoming absolutely obsessed and devoted to the process, to the point where you don't even care what the goal is anymore. You just care about getting these steps done every single day because it becomes your normal life. And the fourth step is going to be removing that idea of a backup plan from your mind. This is where everybody fails. They always need to have some form of backup plan for when this doesn't work. And that is the problem right there. You're limiting yourself to believe that the backup plan is going to save you when this doesn't work. When this doesn't work, you need to remove this belief from your head, and I'm going to teach you exactly how to do that in this program. Now, the total course again is 21 days, and I expect you to show up for every single one of these days and take action on these in your life. This is not just a write it down in a notebook and throw it away and say that you did the homework, because if you do that, well, it's not gonna work. You need to take these concepts and apply them to your day-to-day life as if you are learning something in school and you actually need to make progress with this. This is how you are gonna see the most amount of change in your day-to-day life. But nonetheless, this is the beginning of the 21-day program for the Focus Framework. See you all inside.